Oh, what is TOA? Or man, to me, I feel like TOA is a little group. They put kids in that feel like, I want to say they different, but I feel like we adapt to things different.
Yes, sir.
And I feel like they put us in this group because they feel like we can show something that other people don't see.
We're like family, right? Like we all watch each other, take care of each other. Okay.
Yes, sir. No, because Soma and for me, Soma SV, like, you know, they made it interesting and told us like we had to do some stuff.
Forget Tino, brother.
Yeah, and Tino too. I'm not gonna care. Like, we could have been out here. We could have been out there doing some other stuff. Like, we could have got in trouble. But, like, you know, y'all basically kept us out of trouble.
Man, to be honest, what I like up here, I like the love that I get from certain people. You feel me? Like,
Yes, sir.
Like for real, for real.
Really, for
I
sure.
do mess with the love. I mess with the love heavy up here. From the certain staff or admin like Landon, like Lantino, feel me, Patsy, feel me.
I feel welcomed up here, you know.
Yeah.
Basically, what Buddha said, but I know it's not like fake love. Like I know it's just like everybody keeping it real.
Thing is, like, seeing a lot of my own people over here really helped me come back, you know. Cause it's not that many people at a school. It's not that much.
Man, I always say shout out to all the staff. Shout out to my boy SV right here. You know what I mean. Shout out to Soma. Shout out to Lynn. Shout out to Tino. Shout out to everybody that work here. Man, love y'all more. Thank y'all for helping us.
Sure. Ado Vice and them. Feel me, Taylor. Big man Joe.
I wanna thank Patsy, cause she let me be in here, and she had the choice not to let me be in here.
Man.
So I really thank her for just letting me and welcome me into this place, a safe place. Like, cause I feel like there's no harm like that could be done. Like we all, like everybody just chilling. Like everybody.
All love.
Yes.
All love.
All love. Who you gonna shout out, Jerry? Who you shout out? You pretty quiet over here, buddy.
Bro, you gotta shout out me, brother. Come on now.
I shout out to everybody who go to this program.
Up on my face, but I'm falling apart. My life's getting dim, so now we stuck in the dark. Day after day, night after night, I'm feeling lonely. And need help, my heart is crying. Listen closely, Father, hear me. I ask that you hold me. Confessing all my struggles, Father, hear my testimony. Yeah. My problems multiply, my heart is divided. Keep a smile on my face, but there's pain deep inside it. Never show any doubt, but my life is misguided. Two parts to a problem, but what is my feel inside it? Yeah. Don't say you love me, but you show me something different. One day we perfect, then you start to keep your distance. All the wrong you did, but my heart is so forgiving. Pain stuck on my mind, yeah, here I'm still living.
Are you down, 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 down? Will you stay with me right now? I've been lost, I'm tryna be found. Pick me up if I ever fall down. Are you down, 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 down? Will you stay with me right now? I've been lost, I'm tryna be found.